So when you think of spring, I'm pretty sure you think of flowers, but I wanted to step out the box and try out this new cherry nail design, and it turned out super cute and it's not hard at all. Every product that I use in this video is available at Sally Beauty. So we're going to shape the nail, buff it, and prep it just so it's all ready for our gel polish, and we want to make sure that our cute cherry nails last. Now what's really cool is that this gelish UV light is actually plugged in by USB port, so that means it's super convenient. You can take it on the go, and I feel like USB ports are available everywhere these days. So you're going to start off with a really thin layer of the foundation, and I will tell you the #1 rule in order to make your mani last a really long time is to not paint too close to the cuticles. If you hit the cuticles, you have gone too far. Trust me, learn from my mistakes. If you get near any of your skin or your cuticles, make sure to clean them up. So for this lamp, your first 4 fingers fit and it'll last 45 seconds, then move on to your thumb and cure that as well. I decided to go with a cream base just because I really wanted my cherries to be, I guess you can say, like the star of the show. Plus, I really love a good clean base. Then after curing my nails, I decided I wanted to go in for a second round just to make sure that my base was more opaque. Now, just because I went in for a second round doesn't mean that you have to, and feel free to be creative. You can use light pink, purple, yellow, it's all up to you. Now, my favorite way in order to prep my gel polish for designs is just stick it on a piece of paper. You don't have to ruin anything, and I feel like we all have a piece of paper we don't really need, and I just stick it on the side and sort of practice my dots. Now, just pick whatever size dotting tool you want, and you'll see in my end result that I ended up doing smaller cherries on my left hand and slightly larger on my right, and it's all up to you. Just do randomized dots. You can put 1 cherry, 2 cherry, 3 cherry. It is all up to you. Again, this is just an example of how I first tried out my cherry design. Now, in order to make the stems of the cherry, I used my smallest dotting tool, and it had a more defined tip, so I basically used it as a brush, but if you also have a brush, you can use that as well. And I just took the green and I made 1 line from each cherry and connected it. If you wanted to add a leaf, you can definitely do that, but I kind of kept it on the simple side. Now, I'm someone where I love a little pop of glitter or bling, so I went ahead and added that, but again, all these steps are optional and it's all up to you. Next, I'll just seal my design with a top coat. Then we're going to go ahead and use some alcohol and just rub off any excess after curing it, and your nails are all set. But of course, don't forget to nourish your cuticles, so we're going to use some cuticle oil as well. I hope you feel inspired by this new design that I tried out. Don't forget to subscribe to Sally Beauty's YouTube channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below, and let us know if you're going to try out this new cherry nail design for spring.
Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. I can teach a class when my hair is pink.